All right, today we are going to tackle one of the most cluttered corners in your home, and we're going to do it with a super simple, totally free hack. Yeah, I'm talking about that spot that's always a disaster. And the solution? It's something you were literally just about to toss in the recycling.
So let's be honest for a second. What happens when you open your broom closet? You know, that utility closet? Is it this? Like serene, organized little space? Or is it kind of more like an avalanche waiting to happen?
Yeah, I'm guessing if you're like most of us, it's just pure chaos, right? You crack open that door and bam, the mop and broom make a break for it. You're always digging around, untangling stuff, trying to find that one thing you need in that super awkward, skinny space. It's so frustrating. And really, it's just a complete waste of storage.
Okay, but what if the perfect solution to this mess isn't at some fancy organization store? What if you don't have to buy a single thing? In fact, I'm willing to bet it's probably sitting in your recycling bin right now.
Yep, it's just a simple plastic bottle. You know, a humble, empty one. We're talking specifically about the kind with that built-in handle, like a big juice or milk jug. Trust me, this little guy is about to become your new best friend in organization. So we're calling this brilliant little invention the bottle handle hanger. It's a super simple device you can make just by cutting up a plastic bottle. And what you get is this surprisingly strong, totally free hook that's basically custom made for all those long, awkward tools that refuse to stay put.
And here's the best part. You can make one of these in like minutes. Seriously, this is not some big weekend project. It's a 5-minute fix. So let's just dive in and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Okay, what makes this so clever is that you're using the bottle's own design against it in a good way. The whole secret sauce here is using that built-in grip section as a hook. You're not inventing anything new, you're seeing the hidden potential in something you already have. All right, here's how you do it. Super simple. Step 1, grab your plastic jug and carefully cut off the very top part and the flat bottom. So what you're left with is the handle, right? And it's got this sturdy plastic ring still attached to it. Step 2, take that whole piece and just secure the handle part flat against the wall or maybe the side of a shelf with a screw or two. And finally, step 3, you just slide your broom handle, your mop handle, whatever, right through that circular ring. Boom! It holds it perfectly snug and keeps it upright. And that's it. Just like that, you have totally changed the game in your closet. I mean, it is a complete transformation from that cluttered chaos to simple, clean success. No more leaning tower of mops. Seriously, the difference is just night and day. Think about it. Before, your closet was a cluttered, unstable mess. Everything was on the floor. It was just plain frustrating. And after? It's organized, it's secure, your tools are hung up neatly off the floor, and they're actually easy to grab. The space is finally truly functional. So look, the really crucial point here is this. You didn't just tidy up a closet. You took something that was literally trash, destined for the landfill, and you gave it a brand new, super useful job. You solved a real, annoying problem that we all have for absolutely $0. I mean, come on, that is the definition of a great life hack. And that really leaves us with one final thought, doesn't it? This simple little bottle trick. It's a fantastic starting point. It really makes you start to look around and wonder, what other so-called trash do I have in my house right now that's just waiting for a new purpose? What other little problems could I solve just by getting a little creative?